Oh my days. Look at the rain, guys. This is not good weather. Every day raining. 1 week right now it's raining. So, can't believe this time. It's a rainy day. When does finish the rain? I'm so tired for always raining. My days. Yesterday, probably 1 week now. 1 week now it's raining. I don't like this because I cannot move. I cannot go there, go here, go there, go here. So, look at it, guys. It's always raining of this. Wow. So we don't have choice. We need to stay home for our safety. My God, guys, look at. It's raining 2 times. This is the day. That's the place, the chicken. That is a papaya. So papaya is still alive because of raining. There's about water. Papaya needs the water. So wow. So look at. Coming from the rain over here. So look at the sit down in my shop. It's done. My taste. When this finish and when this stop the rain, because my goodness, I'm so tired. I don't like this because it's too raining, guys, and look at that duckling. Yeah, so is it too much? And it's sick. It's so cold. Wow. So look at there the person. Can't believe this, guys. So look at them. It's very hard for them, but they don't have choice. So it's over. It's raining. So the tricycle is there.